Maybe because new songs make them more attractive to breed females.
This is one of the fastest examples of cultural transmission.
This is a faster example of a culture in chemistry,
where learned behaviors are passed between unrelated individuals of the same.
where learned behaviors are passed between the vendors in the environment
Related individuals of the same species.
of same species.
We can eavesdrop on these songs using underwater microphones called
We can eavesdrop on these songs using underwater microphones.
species when sightings is called
It's called hydrophones.
hydrophones. These help us track species when sightings or genetic samples are rare.
This helps us track the species when in the sighting or genetic samples are rare.
For example, scientists have been able to differentiate the elusive
Example. For example, scientists have been able to
differentiate the elusive blue whales
use blue whales population worldwide based on their song.
populations worldwide based on their songs. But the oceans are getting noisier as a result of human activity.
But the oceans are getting noisier as a result of human activity.
Boating, military sonar,
Boating, military solar,
underwater construction,
and water construction,
and seismic surveys for oil are
and seismic survey for oil
occurring more often,
occurring more often,
which may interfere with whales' communication.
which may interfere with whale communication.
Some whales will avoid key feeding or breeding grounds
Some whales will avoid cave feeding or breeding ground.
if human noise is too
Is human noise too
loud, and humpback whales have been observed to reduce their singing in response.
And humpback whales have been hours in reduced their singing. It's in response to noise 200 kilometers away.
Limiting human activity along
Letting human activity along
migratory routes and in other critical
and in other critical habitats,
and reducing noise pollution throughout the
and reduce the noise pollution throughout the ocean,
ocean would help ensure
which have ensured
whales' continued
will continue to
survival. If the whales can keep singing and we can keep listening,
If the whales can keep singing and we can keep listening,
maybe one day we'll truly understand what they're saying.
maybe one day we will actually understand what they are saying.